I come here, end of the day, I'll get my daily bread. Why I'm going to work? Before I'm working, when I was suffer too much.
How to make money on the street of Johannesburg in South Africa. Life story with Fokou.
Guys, South Africa is not easy. But with this, we managed to put bread on the table. With this, we managed to put bread on the table. So I'll be showing you how to fix shoes today. We'll make money by fixing shoes on the street, straight in Johannesburg. You know about this? We are on the street today fixing shoes. Guys, be with me till the end of the video. Today we are fixing shoes on the street.
Yeah.
You will not believe that this thing can give me money. Money, a lot of money, a lot of money. Guys, like I say, if you want to fix your shoes, come to us here.
The soccer boot, the soccer, you see how we training, how you damage, you fix it, you do everything. Tomorrow you see them, they are praying for Bafana.
Yo.
Yeah, tomorrow they pray for Bafana. They struggle, they do everything here.
Guys, we are here in Brixton. If you need to fix your shoes, opposite Just Buy in Brixton. Don't throw away your shoes. Bring it here. My brother will fix it for you guys. We are not playing here. We are here to work, man. Guys, this is actually a good material for the shoes. Eh? We got nails here, scissors. This one.
Pliers.
Yeah. You know, these are the tools we got here. Yeah, this is a problem here. That's why I put two here. And we'll fix it. This.
Some of the CBD waiting for the call. They'll tell you lot of stories. Oh, okay, bye-bye, uncle. Tell you stories. When I come here, end of the day, I'll get my daily bread. Why I'm going to work? Before I'm working, when I was suffer too much.
For it to fix this one like this can be how much?
So to fix this one like this?
Yeah, that shoes.
30 rand.
30 rand.
If I fix two of them, I used to charge 50 rand or 60 rand.
60 rand.
50 or 60 rand. If the person bring two together, charge 50.
For $4 per shoe. And you can fix how many shoes a day?
That one we can't do any customer.
But there's a day can you fix 10 shoes?
I can be.
So if you're gonna have $4 per one shoe, that means a day you are easily having $40.
But not the same problems.
Yeah.
Not the same problem. Here you make 200, 300.
200, 300. Even there is a lot.
Yeah.
If you can make 200, even 200 a day.
200, but not every day. Someday we'll get only 50 rand, 60 rand. If the demand and you can see the people can. But if it's not like that, we won't get it. When the people don't have money, who's gonna bring
But it? As long when you come on the road, you know you're not gonna go home without something you can buy bread with.
I know that one. Anyway, you buy. You are bread you buy.
You see.
Buy your bread you buy. Bread there's no other way. You say I can't get money to buy bread. If there's no customer anywhere, we are bread you buy.
For you know how to hustle, eh?
My brother, you know. How to
There's some people doesn't know that they can survive with this.
The people they don't know. That before all the Ghana people they came here, they go to America or most of them they do the shoes.
Ghana people?
Yeah, they do the shoe there.
Ghana people know the secret of shoes.
Shoemakers.
But the shoemaker, if in Ghana you know how to do in Ghana, or when movement you travel, it's there in your mind you can see. Do it easy. You can do easy, then you can survive. There's no other way Ghana, unless you are the
many people who are working in the office, they don't make money you are making on the street. I'm telling you.
No, you can't make the money there. But you know,
because even if we take 200 rand a day, in 10 days it's already 2,000.
Yeah, but you're still gonna buy the material. I come to get that money. Today I went to town. When I went there, now I got how much? 240. When I came here, my money, my hand was 20 rand. This one, the one I bring it for a long time is expensive.
How much is that one?
About for 19.
19.
90.
90. And to put on the shoes, you charge how much?
150.
150.
I'm waiting for the owner first. If he's coming, he say you don't like it. I don't want to put it. Everything I charge it for 150.
Yeah, 150. But if she fixes the shoes for 150, the shoes must be like 300 rand.
No, I'll be 300. I charge 150. I will use that money to buy the material.
To buy the new shoes.
No, you can't get it. No, at times you can't get it.
New one can cost how much?
The new one you can get 300, but not the original. Something like this. It's a China one. This one's the original one.
That's why they spend money to fix it.
Which means, if I finish this one, my mother gets the only 60 rand.
Why you say only?
Only 60 rand.
You make 60 rand.
Yeah, but
and that is the easy money going straight to your pocket.
But not easy money, my brother. To stitch it.
Guys, we are here fixing shoes. If you got your shoes, I say we are in Brixton in Johannesburg. On the street. If you want to fix your shoes, come in High Street in Brixton, opposite Just Buy. Opposite Just Buy. Let me show you. Opposite Just Buy. Come here.
The shoemaker before when I came before, my brother.
Yeah.
Shoemaker was the money.
Shoemaker, you could make more money than today.
I said today there's no money. That's how the China stuff not too much. People buy the shoes.
The original shoes. And they will spend money to fix it.
The money to fix it. But now it's a China one.
But something for sure, you cannot come here on the street and then you go back home without fixing the shoes.
Yeah, that's what it is.
If you don't fix, that means you don't want to work.
Yeah, but at times the business is very quite good. At times everybody cry, who's gonna bring the shoes? Especially 15, 14, 11, everybody cry, who's gonna bring the shoes?
Yeah, man.
Sit here, nobody will bring the shoes. Only few. 5 friends, maybe somebody bring the money, gonna we charge it 10 Ghana, he cry. Only 5 friends. When you go home, that money already finished.
You can see how we are fixing shoes, making money. So there's no small job, any kind of work, as long as you know how to do it, will always give you something to eat. Look at that girl.
Yeah, most of them, they are working. If they are working, my brother, if you come to month end, they can show. They can show. But if you come to here, the Malawi people are here. Malawi, they wear the turkeys and slippers.
So around here, there's a lot of Malawians.
No, we don't.
They don't fix their shoes.
No, they're working there by the Dragon City and everywhere. They wear the turkeys, you know. Yeah, they're going well.
So they are not good customers.
They are not contribute to the economy too much. Did you see?
Maybe they can fix their shoes by themselves.
No, not themselves. They can't buy the shoe to wear like a 2,000 shoes. No, Malawi can't buy the shoe. Malawi can't buy the shoe for 2,000. They buy the Fokou.
So when it gets damaged, they throw it away.
While they're working for the shoes. They can steal it and they can take it and wear it.
Hopefully.
They are working by.
That's beautiful, eh?
Yeah.
It's like giving another design.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
This why you have to come here and fix your shoes, guys.
Soccer boot.
Now they can go and play soccer nicely.
Yeah.
If you like what we do in this channel, please do subscribe, like and share, guys. Like and share. Okay. Take care.